Welcome back to the channel, Toyota Fanatic 81. Over the past few months, I've got a ton of questions about my truck's exhaust system. How does it sound? Do I like it now that I have it on the truck? How do the neighbors feel about it? What's the drone like in the cab? And on and on and on. Now those are legitimate questions, so it's about time that I make a video like this. Most of my modification videos either show what a garage has done for me or step by step what I've done myself. In this particular video, it's just about the sound. The sound of the exhaust as I'm idling, as I'm driving slowly, as I'm driving fast, or as I'm being obnoxious and revving the engine. Don't expect to learn anything in this video today, just listen and enjoy. Okay, I'm at a corner where I normally have to rip just to get onto the street, so we'll see what happens. Yeah! That's sexy. If this video has not convinced you to subscribe to this channel, I can't help you. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I definitely did. Don't forget to smash the like button and please hit that bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I put out another modification video. That's it. I'm out.